In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my name in Common App. First, you will need to sign in to your Common App account. This is an important step as it grants you access to your personal information and application details. On your screen, you will see the login fields where you enter your email and password. Make sure you input the correct credentials to avoid any hiccups. If you encounter any issues logging in, take a moment to double-check your information. This ensures that you enter the right email and password combination. Once logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard where all your applications are listed. Next, you will open My Common Application. On the dashboard, look for the option labeled My Common Application. It's usually positioned prominently on the screen for easy access. Clicking on this option will take you to the main section where you can edit your application details. This step is crucial because it allows you to navigate through various tabs related to your application. You'll see a variety of sections such as Profile, Education, and Activities. Each of these sections holds important information that colleges will review. From there, go to the Profile section. You can find the Profile tab located in the navigation menu. Clicking on it will open up a new page displaying your personal information. This is where you can manage details like your name, address, and contact information. Ensuring that your profile section is accurate is key because it forms the foundation of your application. Colleges use this information to identify you during the admissions process. Now, select Personal Information. Within the Profile section, you will see various options, but Personal Information is the one you want. Click on it to view your current name details. This section is where you can see the names you currently have on file. It is important to verify that all your personal information is correct and up to date. If you notice any discrepancies, now is the time to address them. After all, accurate information ensures that colleges have the right details about you. After that, update your legal first name, middle name, last name, or preferred/different first name if applicable. In this part of the personal information section, you can make the necessary changes to your name. Be sure to enter your names exactly as you wish them to appear on official documents. The legal name is especially important for identification purposes, while a preferred name can help colleges recognize how you would like to be addressed. This little adjustment can make a significant difference in how you present yourself to admissions officers. Finally, save your changes before submitting your application. Once you have updated your name, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Clicking this button ensures that all your changes are recorded in your Common App profile. This is a critical step as any unsaved changes will be lost. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. This gives you peace of mind that your updated name is now recorded. Note that if you've already submitted your application, changing your name in Common App may not update the information already sent to colleges. If you need to ensure that colleges have your correct name, contact each college's admissions office directly. It's always best to double-check that they have the accurate information on file. If you're unable to edit your name for any reason, don't hesitate to reach out to the Common App Solutions Center for assistance. They are there to help you navigate any issues you may face.